Alright guys, so we're working on a 2002 Chevy Malibu. I'm going to be replacing the crankshaft position sensor, which is this part over here. This is the brand new one. I picked it up in my local AutoZone for $16.99 plus taxes. That's the part number there. But yeah, so I haven't found a clear video on where it's at for this car on YouTube. I've seen some camshaft sensor replacements, which is back here, but the crankshaft position sensor, it's underneath the car here, and I'll show you. Let me get under here. Now hopefully there's enough light for y'all to see. Alright, so it's gonna be up there. Alright, hopefully you can see in the camera here, but let me see if I can get my spotlight here. Alright, that right there is the crankshaft position sensor. There's a 10mm bolt that I will remove. I've already loosened up, as you can tell. Remove the connector, and it should slide right out. I will be using a ratchet with an extension. Let me show you. Alright, this is what I'm using. It's like wobble extensions I got at Harbor Freight. But I'm gonna come back here, slide my arm right through. Yeah, it's a pain getting back here. Alright, so that's where I will have the ratchet, and up here you will remove the bolt. See that? Alright, I think it's pretty much done. Let me see if I can slide it out now. Alright, let me just go through here. Alright, so here's the bolt. Again, that's a 10mm bolt. The harness just came off. I had already unhooked it here, but yeah, there's a harness that you remove. It's this one. Now I will need to slide this out. Let me see if I can get you a better view. There it is. Alright, so there it is. I've removed the 10mm bolt, I've removed the connector, and now I need to slide it out so I can insert the new one in there. And I'll be back. Alright guys, so after a good beating, I was able to get that sensor out of there. It's pretty stuck in there, so y'all might have that problem, but you gotta just beat it up a good amount in order for it to just slide right out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out now. Somehow, if I can get in here. Alright. Y'all probably can't see much, but I'm currently trying to pull it out now. It's stuck in there. Look at that. Alright, let's try this again. I'm just kind of trying to wiggle it out. Alright, almost there. Man, that is stuck on there. Alright, let's try this again. Come on. Alright. Let's get this out the way. Man, that is on there good. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and use this again. Alright, so what I was doing is I was actually hammering this guy out, and I was able to get it a good amount before I got here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hammer it a little bit. Hopefully it comes right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you down for a little bit. Un momento. Alright guys, so that seemed to do it. Let's see if we can get a better. Alright, let's go ahead and slide it out. Well, at least let's hope we can. Alright. Alright, it came right out. And there it is. Alright, let's go ahead and slide out. Like I said, I gave this thing a good beating before it came out. Yeah, it was pretty stuck on there. Alright, so that's the new one, like I said. I showed you earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and get in there and slide it back in. One moment. Alright, we're back. So I'm back down here. I got the new sensor with me now. I'm going to go ahead and slide it on in. Right there. It's going to be really hard to see on camera, but okay, looks like it went right through. Okay. And there it is. I'm gonna alright guys, so I was able to go ahead and put it back in and tighten it down. You want to torque it down to 71 foot-pounds. I got the connector back in, and pretty much that was all.